What's up, guys? Sun isn't even up yet, and neither is Isaiah. Come on, buddy.
I'm awake.
Tell the viewers hi.
Hi.
Stick around. We're chasing jumbo perch today. Might even catch a walleye. We'll see.
Fish on.
Here you go, buddy.
There's a walleye.
A walleye? That might be close to keeper, huh? Nice one, buddy.
Thank you.
Not a bad one.
Not a bad little guy. Get a choice. About to jump in himself. Bye, buddy. Oh, there he goes. First fish.
Awesome, buddy.
Dang. That felt nice to do.
We're fishing a little flat in about 11 feet of water here. Right on the edge of a break line.
Might as well get a new minnow. Oh, that's called.
First fish, only about 20 minutes in, not too bad. There's a city out here, but it's been pretty darn slow. I've been hole hopping for the last like 45 minutes probably. I haven't even marked a fish. I think we might move. There's gotta be something biting though. Look at all these people. Not a bad one.
That's beautiful, man.
It's on one of them side flies right there too.
Throw her on that bump board. We threw the other one on there.
Get this guy on there too. $11 and a quarter.
11 and a quarter.
Quarter bigger than that one.
Awesome, man. GoPro start recording.
Got him.
Ooh,
This one's digging on you.
digging, yeah. Ooh, big old guy.
Ooh,
Nice,
get him up there. The other one's still on there.
Oh, that might be
need to get a picture of that. What do you got there?
A walleye.
A walleye?
Yep.
Why do you have a walleye?
Because I caught him. Oh, he's got some sort of like disease thing right there.
It's been not a hot and heavy bite, but a pretty decent bite so far. Got some decent perch in the cooler. Couple smaller walleyes, but waiting for a little bit more size out of them. Ricky got one that was keeper, but there's a lot of people out here, and I can see a group of people looking at me right now wondering who I'm talking to. But I don't care, I'm talking to you, and that's all that matters. Yeah. Caught a huge jumbo on a sci fly. Show you that. There it is. Perch candy right there. And they glow. That's how I fire my jig back down. I go whoosh. Eagle claw inline reel. You snagged it or what?
It was tipping down into the hole.
It was about to fall in the hole.
Little wally?
Little walleye.
Strong little walleye.
He almost pulled the pole in.
Why don't you show us what you caught him with?
I will after I get it out. Slayer custom jig. He's just a little guy. He's mad now.
He's a cute little guy though.
I like how their faces look when they're little.
Come closer.
I like how your face looks when you're little.
So weird, Ricky.
Awesome, buddy. Good job.
Thanks.
So what'd you say you caught it with?
A Slayer custom jig.
Just
A
the jig?
green one.
Plastic?
Nope. With the minnow.
With a minnow? Awesome. Looked like you saved that rod from going in the water too, huh?
Yep. I didn't save him from going in the water.
We got Miller Time Angling over here.
We got RJC Outdoors over here.
Oh, what's up, man?
What's up, dude?
You're my
Hey, guys.
cousin. You're my cousin. Go check that guy out.
Check him out.
That's MTA Miller Time Angling right there.
That's RJC Outdoors. You see his truck back there? Watch for the sticker. If you see the sticker, you know there's a hot bite around.
We're goofy. We could be really goofy.
Yep.
Dang, dude, I just missed it. I felt doom, doom.
I got a marker too. Got him.
Yeah, nice, dude. Awesome.
A walleye, I think. What are you shaking? Yep.
Oh, that's a nice one. Very nice.
He bit that sci fly.
That sci-fly?
That sci fly. There's another fish down there, Ricky.
I know. I'm pretty sure I felt it.
Little walleye.
Ah.
Little walleye.
I'm gonna turn this up a little bit.
That's a eater. That's a definite eater.
Nice walleye, man.
Broke our little slow streak there. Maybe that was the switch. Maybe that was the switch.
Maybe it was.
Better get down there and find out, huh?
Yeah, I'm marking a fish right on the bottom, and I can't see where my jig is. There it is. Found it.
What's up, guys? Well, the bite slowed down quite a bit there. I lost some footage. I actually lost my case with my spare SD card, my charging cables, my extra mounts, my extra battery pack. It sucks. I lost out on some footage, so I made this video the best I could, I guess, without it, but I mean, that's just kind of how it goes. I mean, you really don't need footage to make a video, but it helps. It does help. So we did what we could with what we had, but yeah, the night bite slowed down. We only had a couple fish. Cameras were acting up, and it was just a screwy night. But yeah, it was fun. Caught some nice fat perch. Those Saya flies, check those out definitely. Also those Slayer custom jigs, another great addition to your arsenal. Yeah, otherwise I want to thank you guys for watching. Keep an eye out for the next video. Smash that bell. Don't forget to get notifications. We'll check you on the next. Later.